Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Today's question is flipping an image. In this question, we are given a binary matrix A. We want to flip the image horizontally, then invert it and return the resulting image. To flip an image horizontally means that each row of the image is reversed. For example, flipping 110 horizontally results in 011. It means that this flipping means simply inverting the given row of an 2D matrix. And to invert an image means that each 0 is replaced by 1 and each 1 is replaced by 0. For example, inverting 0 1 1 results in 1 0 0. Here we can see that 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. So now what we have to do in this question, first of all we are given a 2D matrix in which first we have to flip every row. Flip means we have to reverse every row of the matrix and then we have to invert all the elements in that particular row. So this is the entire question. So for example, we are given an input of 110, 101, 000. Now its output will be 100, 010, 111. So how we will do it? First we will reverse each row. It means that original matrix is this and we have reversed the row, reversed each row of this matrix and then we have inverted the image, that is 1 becomes 0 and 0 became 1. So this is the question and this question is very straightforward. So let's just dive in into the code. So what we'll do, we are given the 2D matrix as the input. So first we'll write the base cases. If our a dot size double equivalent to 0, then what we'll do, we will simply return a from here. If our a0 dot size is double equivalent to 0, it means that there are no column present in the matrix, then we will simply return a from here as well. Now we have to what we have to do, we have to reverse each and every row of the matrix. So what we'll do, we will iterate over all the rows of the input matrix. So a dot size I plus plus. Now what we'll do, we have to reverse each of the rows in the matrix. So it will be ai dot begin. We will use an inbuilt function of reverse ai dot begin and ai dot end. Now now this statement means that the current ith row has been reversed. Now after reversing, what we have to do, we have to invert the elements of that row. So how we will invert the elements? That will be equal to int j is equal to 0, j less than ai dot size, that is ai dot size means number of elements in that particular row which we have reversed. So now what we have to do, we have to invert every element. So aij is equal to 1 minus previous aij. So if previous aij was 0, then the current aij will become 1, and if the previous aij was 1, then the current aij will become 0. So first what we have done, first we have reversed the entire row and then we have inverted, using this for loop we have inverted every element present in that row, and after the loop is over, then we will simply return our A matrix from here. So this was the entire code. Let's just run it. So it is giving correct answer for this row. Sorry, it is giving the wrong answer. Why? Because in here we have to do j plus plus. So now let's just submit the code. So you can see that it is getting accepted. I hope guys you like the video. Thank you.